Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to fix Canva PDF downloaded as separate pages. So here I am in my Canva homepage, and I'll open a Canva design right here. So for example, this one, and I want to download this as a PDF. But the problem is that when I download this specific design, it downloads as separate pages. So that happens because you may be using the incorrect format when downloading this design. So for example, if I go to share and then if I go to download, maybe you are not choosing PDF. Maybe you have selected, for example, PNG. And if you download your Canva design as a PNG, this will be downloaded as separate pages. So for example, if I click download and then we'll just wait for this to finish. And then as you can see, it downloads the design as a zip file, and then you can see it is separated by its pages. So we just need to make sure that we are choosing the correct file format. So just go to download again, and then you can choose either PDF standard or PDF print. So PDF print is best when you are going to print your Canva design. But if you're just going to view it online, you can just use PDF standard. So from here, just make sure all the pages is selected right here, because if not, it will just download that specific page only that is selected. And then from here, you can just go ahead, click download, and then your Canva design should now download normally. So it will include all of the pages in one PDF file. And then as you can see, we have our PDF file right here, and we have all of the pages inside one PDF. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix Canva PDF that downloads as separate pages. We just need to make sure that we are choosing the correct file format. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.